Actually, guys,
really
this soup doesn't taste good. It looks good.
You know.
Ubani kahle kahle kulethu.
Othanda abafana.
Othanda abafana olunyayo xa ebona abafana.
Uyamazi. Sibongile ipipi yalithanda bo. Okay.
Shema ba rata bashimane mabala.
Yabona intombazana mama obizwa uSibongile owner ithaveni. Usibongile uSibongile.
Yena abafazi phandani sikosakusasa bona banjana nebangichaza ukuthi they giving us the vibe esifunayo like that's why during bathanda bitches
You know,
We love y'all.
Betty.
Sit with our men and our kids.
Yes, like
and our kids.
I'm pregnant already.
Hey guys, Ada Bain, and today of course we
Back like never left.
back like we never left.
vanyana vele
So of course today we're sitting on the hot couches with some girls. Like your never friends are.
Why keep bonding?
Why are you bonding? I don't
Like no, he bonding by saying.
Our friends.
Guys, so wait, that's not big. We haven't even introduced ourselves yet. So yeah, guys. So guys, she's already. So please, guys, like and subscribe. Stay tuned. Watch the video to the end. So guys, I go by the name Opie White, Opie O'Brien.
I'm Shadow Adrian.
don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification,
Leave a comment.
below, leave a comment. Trolls, I go by the name of Bushman Mizi Ipodle Lakola Ice representing him. Like you know me, like you know, like
Girls,
okay, today we
Over to us now.
Over to the girls.
You hackers, my name is Wiz Olaf Brown.
Okay,
You know the phone.
from the
Get the vibe.
PJ.
Hi guys, my name is Usisi Umakolite.
Yeah, now we are colleagues.
Yes, friend.
Okay, guys. I have a question for y'all. I need to like beats like nifila kanjani nje uba bangane street abani like the big three.
Before they answer, Yves, having a gay friend is a blessing from God.
Very true.
That's true. Like,
They I don't know them how they feel about us,
So when
you know.
them as like Uscavino already. Like, yeah, it's a
blessing.
You're blessing a huge blessing.
Okay,
No,
can you
yeah.
please like me describe I'm a character with
Hey, yeah,
Okay.
describe like clues or just in
Okay. Smosh. Yo. Okay. I will
I keep penny. I'm penny of color.
I was the page.
You are called patient. We fell a
Okay, let's do that.
Smosh. Yo, everywhere. Umuntu abantu Smoshi, uyaziphaphela, she's fine. Like she's fine. And then Opie, yo. Yakutshela udoti manje. Like akafikela ba like hey when I know, more wrong. Then Adio, she's very kind.
Oh,
The kindest, like she's heartwarming. But sometimes who kind bako? No. Sometimes over to you, friend.
You know what friends are
Okay, when I'm from Taos, when I'm bonding.
Keep up yours, keep up yours,
Bantu take shot.
This is innocent.
Innocentia.
Kiss cause I
So guys, back to us. Then as we're gonna tell you guys, describe your thing level. So yes, back to them. You're gonna bang with
Oh, baby.
I give okay, guys. There is a guy in the okay. It's oh, I laugh, guys. Oh, I laugh, guys. You know, from a group she's the kindest of all.
Yes.
And nothing. She's the kindest of all. Like nothing. Man hamba kwanye bengidinga yena yabo. You know, yeah.
Let me
see lento lethi ukuthi abo OP abo sibongile bakuphi
mara uyi-main
character.
That's why ngithi like
she was the main character.
Noma bakubuza babuza mi bafuna ukuthi usigqomeze bakuphi abo OP
like
uyi-main character. You know, because ngathi uklangana nokuthi mhlawumbe no-Alisha it was usibongile. So this angithi she's the main character for me, but she's like see bad habits, she's a good habits, you know. Then Alisha Makolite Goliko, you know, realize the Colite Mancolezela, lady. Manje Alisha yena for me ngathi Alisha nayo inhliziyo enhle yazi mara nayo uchoose akabathi khona labantu abathandayo nabantu angabathandi and nabangakuthandi uyakukhombisa straight ukuthi akuthandi then then inhliziyo enhle ulo muntu othanda abantu abamthandayo uyabasensa abantu abangamthandi then ngeke akhuluma like nika vibe ngawe the way a vibe nalo amthandayo.
Indeed.
Okay, mina ngathi like our girls like Mazela, it's been 3 years, ne?
Yes.
And then it was through OP. First time I was like, yo, bitch, ya papa. Yo, like I'm cool. Yo, ya papa, too much. Like I'm trying, like alright, sweet, ask us to see, like bog as the see, you know. Yes, yeah, like this one you don't see, yes. You know, and I think we're going to also losing him like thing I want like why I'm tanda like thing yeah like yes yes and open Alisha okay I'm tanda girl
oh should I just friend
after because ngiyamthanda.
Yeah, why ngamthanda because
ngiyamthanda. Yes, like bonke ngathanda like bathanda like
ngendlela
yes, bo because mangithola usibonga ngithola Alisha, Alisha
like bayikhomba yase
shop. Like flower ne
bayikhomba ya 100
combo ya like it told me I had yours.
Yes, ihamba ne soya means.
Soya yona. Soya uyakhetha between spaghetti nemacaroni.
Yo,
namafutha abantwana.
Uthathe rice, uthathe
bayikhombo kahle kahle.
Bese kuba nale yepaloni amaqanda idanoni.
Ngisuse 5 francs. Kuze njalo yazi.
Leyo combo leyo.
Combo right.
Ngesaklami ke. Ngoba
Okay.
Sibongile ngakamazi ne. Like bengijwayele ukumbona but like mina bengingamthandi. Like benginalento ukuthi uyolokela umuntu uyaphapha. Ngibona kulesihlahla samagwinyi And then like bekathanda ufaka ama-tricks to esikole like bengimangimona benginyanya since u-Obi like after meeting u-Obi K-Sharp ngabona like okay Obi nyaka bosibongile asami ngikapha bosibongile K-Sharp base ngithi ngingwanyana but after saying that kutha aman she needs to have combined.
You know,
needs to have connection.
My combo right.
Like what? Listen, like why is it connection? Tanda into itekwa. You see my frontal. See your frontal.
You know, like baby from the farms. You kidding?
Okay, Sharp Makolide. Makolide is my friend from school. Yeah, Makolide. Being mazing and show my run like.
Being a man's screen.
But like, I don't do it okay, Sharp. So I didn't knew it, but like. Ngimaze ngabe sabangani vele like cause yeah makolite sihlala sonke ngebreaks chila sonke yeah sitshontshelana sonke ukudla
and one thing about the girls they said our face
so uyabona like makolite no Obi having same frontal mina no Jimmy different frontals
we bonding
like asbaba what ice poppy ngwanyana asiya keep-braid asimazi ngosisi
asifake nama-frontals
aqinile okay guys so like what's nice about everything we said now is that we found connection I can
friends,
say we find friends and family but a nice friend is a friend when you meet their own friends they also accommodate you to be friends you understand into nicely because then they don't accommodate me what I liked about Alicia they all accommodated Tina
Alicia bonke
like they chaza hayi ukuthi mahlangana nabangani basibonke bathi uyaphi lo ila bantu abanyanyisayo ke labo ngekho so that's angithi those friends kuyachaza ukuhlangana nabangani ukuthi mahlangana nabangani bakho I think feel ngathi they are also
uthatha isikhathi bajwayele
awuthatha isikhathi bajwayele and then ngathi idala niyazana
nje like bona banjana nebangichaza ukuthi they giving us the vibe esifunayo like that's why nje ngibathanda bitches
you know
we love y'all
Betty
we love your babies we are babies
I'm a Betty's after dark I'm a Betty's worldwide
not through this
yeah
you years man you like why
your friends
like
relationship is out
we're gonna sit with our men and our kids
like
our kids
our
man
and I was like I'm pregnant already
Nah, guys, nah.
I'm figuring the rumors.
So yeah, guys. So we're going to this thing is going to be so simple. I'm going to ask, or you guys we're going to ask Tina, my sister Pingile, ukuthi ubani obona Tina sidriso qala ngake. Ukuthi bani ubona omunye engasuzomitha bani sana bafana
okay
so now we're choosing and your guys going to choose from the questions that Tina so choose again Nanbelen choose it
okay
so the first question for Tina C3 and now Nanbelen's my question again okay for the first question I just want to say ukuthi ubani kahle kahle othanda abafana olunyayo xa ebona abafana
uyabazi
misicala ngane bo guys
ngicela ngathi fine friends
nina vele nisdiscuss nina because thina angeke sinidiscuss
cho msebachuza
usana ngithini
thitha usitshela
mina
mina u-Alicia ne abafana mabaza kuye uyasazi yes
Ngiyabathanda abafana.
usibongile ipipi yalithanda bo ugeli ayibo ufuna la
Right
every
away.
day endodeni
Night Rider.
nyanyuka yaphi nya e-White House endod ayibo Alicia sibongile every day.
It's not like ihawuna
Mara she's loyal like ugeli nje into engithanda ngayo uloyal man uhliza umuntu one ustika kumuntu oyi-one
Oh,
That's me.
hacho angithona no yena ngishingishile wena bathanda abafana ne mara mabaza kuyabaleka yasabi
Uyabaleka.
Oh, Night Rider.
But still right.
yes
Okay, Sposh.
What I just said, this Day, it's what I wanted to say.
yes
Shema bagata bashimani mabala. You give me a fight, but like you give it like you do thing. We let her in the jokey way. Yeah, even it's like yeah. Yes, I really was wrong.
Burungile ufana nosburungile.
Mami, let's go smosh back to toilet. Yeah, but I'm saying, why don't you not take any one?
Yabaza.
Sposh friend.
Smosh.
Echwaleni nimbize.
Ngiyawuzwa
Echwaleni
etshwaleni
nimbize. Ngingamshiya.
okay
Okay, Timo Sogomini. Ngathini vele Aisha guys. Yeah, no.
Yabona friend.
Namnyavumela kule nto Alisha like abayishoyo. Alisha ne. Masi sonke. Bafuna la. Madoda ezathi abamboni. Madoda masibaze nje abafani lapho sikathi ulobe lapho. Akasabafuni. Akasabafuni like iBack uSusan like akasabafuni lana. Kwenzakalani?
Yo, abafana amadimoni.
Kwenzakalani nje?
Ama-triple C. Basile laba.
Awubathandi ne?
Bathina mabakude, abantu mabala.
Alexi.
So frontal.
Manje right. Right lento le. No, baphaphele macala mabafika uthi no.
Yes.
I'm not there.
Ubona ukuthi
basha isandla
Yini ukuthi sandla
bathi hasanana.
Yes, Sandra.
Nithi
Imani phela ngisase ku then usibongile ke.
Me.
Jay. Sisi o rana Itavens. Abasibongile futhi barana amaTavern. Yabona intombazana mama obizwa usibongile owner iTavern. Usibongile usibongile. Uthanda amadoda angenathenga ibeer A1.
Yes.
Ayabona nje yabomama beza.
Oh, yes, try.
So ngiyashela.
ubona nge-week ama-week wabo ama-week wabo yabona ubona nge-week
ila mathabe labo gogo labo gogo abona amathabeni
Yeah.
labo abafuna amathabe
bafihliwe so
amorisi lawa wachaw and I'm sure when unga owner maybe kwathembi because lo kwathembi kwamanje ngishonga owner kafihliwe siyaya ke ngiyabona amadoda ngafuna la jomara ngayirana wena
Guys, when you go back to again.
no
I'm a broadcast.
no like ninga owner la but nilaba nifuna men you know you like men
I buy the side guys like a man is sponging. You will buy the side.
mara bakhona vela bosisaba
Ungashovu Sposh.
bathi ngamshovu siba bangathinta imbalise kakhulu
Umbalise kakhulu estyleni.
So much of family like
yabona bathi ulosikhulumelayo uyosikhulumela
amagama wenu intenjalo usiboshike abafana uyabathanda naye bayamthanda na uyavuma
Siyathandana.
bayathandana like bayi-item eyi-wonder
yebo unetalent emadodeni
plus i-talent uyabonakala ukuthi uyiphekana
Solale ya Brita bana bathi
guys bayazi impukane no
so even
this doesn't talk about what is khona impukane nje impukane ni yabona namashiya wenu nje
Thanda bafana
no
okay uHerbu Papuni
Upaparich.
Thina siheri amashiya phela like siheri smoothly
You know.
wena nje nyozini you are the babu uyawazi mabathi Papuni
She's Paparich.
She's Paparich.
Now Patti stopping Paparich.
okay bensasho ke abosiboshe ba-ona
Wait. Okay, sharp. Let's move on to evil. That's people to my bonding me. But bonding. Listen. But bonding I couldn't because in a full closure.
Yes.
Full installation.
And it's talking back, guys. Like,
You
look
know.
at this. Like,
Just check
you
the
know.
Like,
I know Yankee.
Like, I
not the Yankee. Not the Yankee.
Shem yabona mawuthi khona yakhe white dume yona kakhulu.
Babe.
Beka uthenge 1 million yakho.
Sweetheart. Yes.
Iman wait, sweetheart writing some happy love.
Sweetheart her.
No. Imfihlo yami nangazi hayiphalent all day play.
Yes, high Poland.
Nama ngemphishe. Mina ngwathenga
Like, come on.
Okay, guys, enough about the hippies.
Yes.
So, Martin, what else we're going to talk about? I have a question for you guys. So, when somebody borrows your clothes, then can you please wash them gitty? Okay, let me.
Oh, mouse go like there's
Okay, I borrowed you something. Okay,
Chimi ongboleke maybe a dress.
Yeah.
Like maybe chimi ongboleke dress and shoot consent. Okay, shop ongboleka a dress. Most ongboleka so uthi show me ngicela niwashini impahla zami Thursday inentanzo zosha githi ngensipho yami nge-stay soft sami.
No, what's up with the ghetto? No, I mean, but it's such a niggas in Chalo. Like, hello. No, you can't do that. No, when who's being like this,
so much you feel like I'm more than Julian.
I will feel a very bad because from Tagati. You know, I will.
It seems like
No, I don't want it's something that it's misunderstanding. It's not like now
it's just in thinking
because mawutshela omnye umuntu ingathi ahlangisa vele because ayibe uyobashela kithi kanjani thinking that's angithi bengifuna ukuyazi ama opinion wawo wonke umuntu ukuthi yena ucabanga ngaleyo ndaba le ukuthi ngathi
mina washakini bese like okay sharp
mina ngizokunikeza
uzoshilela I think can I answer your question?
Yes.
By my side I think if angimthembi mina ngizonika nizowashe bese naziletha mara ngeke ngitshele mina ngizovile ngiphinde ngizowashe myself. But like when you experience it like so utshela abantu ukuthi no ngala ngizowasha kithi ngozami like usho ukuthi wena ucabanga ukuthi okay sharp abangani bami bayangibonela abangani bami bazongithakatha abangani bami bazongenza so
There's no try.
thinking yami mina like that's what's my thinking like ingqondo yami ngitshela like
no, you're just acting like you've been raised by cats. Like hello, umuntu ocabanga kahle like umuntu angeke azacabanga into ungana kangathakatha.
For like mara like okay shop I don't want to lie angazi ukuthi uqala ukuthakatha wenza kanjani
yazi uthi uthakathela umuntu ofana na akana next ufana mina
like I understand you know like inhliziyo yokuthakatha uyithatha baby like yini
akana next
umuntu ofana nawe
uzomthini
I feel like ukuthakatha these days abantwana like I don't even understand ukuthi mindset yakho ibuya no just the mindset yakho uthi ibuya phi kulento lezo yini uke wathakatha
wena
umthakathi ubona umthakathi omncane
umthakathi ababona abantwana abancane
abantwana bakhe bakhulisayo
I think so also but like
Cause mina if
wena like okay umuntu ne like izofika kanjani le question ukuthi ngimthakathi
for ini
especially why mina uthakatha ungani wakho angengithakatha
yena bazofika kanjani bamtshele kanjalo
and that's why it's mina for me it's not I call right
mina if ukuyini if ngicabanga njengayi like because
no
it's crazy.
I also have a question. Girls, maybe can I make an example? No, sis, not good.
Yes.
Because you're taking an example.
Yours,
Mami's you to the candle. So yeah, Tremi Pega. My question is, maybe Tremi, you gave me this jersey. After giving me this jersey, me and you fight. Like I'm going to sleep. Maybe we don't spoil it. Yabo. Bese uthi njolanda into zami ngicela le jersey liya. Like what's that?
No.
Usangiphela lento ozoyithatha.
Uzoyithatha
awukwazi umuntu into bese uphinde futhi uyayithatha no.
Bathi umuntu uyamupha but ukuthi ibuyele emuva
awukhanti
maybe sometimes awuyani inhliziyo enhle ukunika because of
yazi umuntu mangamnika ngenhliziyo enhle uyakhona nokuyilanda umele lesasikhathi le uzothi
ukamele vele
into phela mamnika nje umuntu kusho ukuthi sekuyeyakhe
if will be
angeke
asking this and if fight will be excuse like we be like taking to yam I feel like that
ngivele ngiyakunika
vele senzele ifavor ungabanika abantu uma uzazi ukuthi wena umuntu ozazi
uzofuna izinto zami bengatheni nezinto
because mina I feel like manje nginika umuntu into yami nyamnika phinde ngikhohle ngayo ukuthi like yami vele ngikhohle ukuthi yami
lo ngamupha
yabona yemasini iba njani yabo ngikwenzeleni ngenzeni ayibo
lo ngamenzela
abangaseyithi mina yo abosibongile abangaka what's that? No,
even
I did the same thing when I was in here. So I can do whatever bullshit I will talk no one.
That's your mouth.
I'm a fucking bitch. I'm a fucking They like to call me a bitch or her. Even I don't understand that. But
I suppose
yeah, but I told her. So yeah, mara like guys angeke khona. For in patient. I'm not a patient. A patient into joinayo just one day.
I'm
a baby. And then akhona awutsheli mina utshela abantu ukuthi okay shaphu siboshi. Akusase patient isangabhedi what's that?
You know
mina I'm a baby. Ukuthi patient is just an into modeling join is a modeling pageant.
Like you know what me? You know what me? And futhi as friends, we don't label each other. We don't put each other on positions.
You don't do that.
You know, ube ngathi usenza ama cartoon la uyakuthi wena uSophia the first and stay there. Wena uEmber.
Phelele kabo mphela banje.
Hayibo, you know that's why ngithi.
Phela bani yini
That's why ngithi as friends. Usibosha ngavuka kusasa athi ukuba udokotela ngoba ngudokotela doesn't mean ukuthi mina ngizothi Sibosha don't be a doctor. You stay. That's why ngithi izinto as friends just
nakhona Chomi wait
support each other.
Support each other.
I have in my way.
Princess to support each
Ngenda ba custom made. Ngipaqi custom made nami. Music video ya 1982.
Yes.
Custom made yeduku le. Lelwelwayo abeka ulokelwe beyafake ishort afake iduku afake icrop top
very true. I know that
afake iweave red yebo I like shukuthi naye bekayibonile leyo music video athini let me bring back a style.
Yes.
And then athini my custom made I draw it udrawile uyibonile
when
nami ke
everything she does she saw it but ukuthi like she wanna put people on positions like when I stay there.
I need to guys when we designer. I need to bathing those like so if when ufuna ukugqoka one
that's something like the other day. I don't know guys. I think the viewers should just correct me. There's a difference between a stylist and a designer. A designer designs clothes from scratch. Then a stylist we have to stylist like she has everything.
I don't know lie, I'm a fashion design. I see maybe a crop top pattern, I make it from a fresh
machine.
Like guys, like everything I just change it. And then I change everything.
So something else.
Like when I podcast I was wearing sort of something like Mikato. That thing it was my brother's jean. Ukuthi ngingena ngayikhatha ngathi ngifuna isiketi amapokotho es mina no business
yeah broadcast lines straight back ngiyibukela
nibheke le outfit le anto bokuyipokotho yabona lento ela bokuyinto like yokuvala ngathi ngiyikhatha ngenze ngipaste la ukuthi ibe like guys I'm
interesting.
Yeah, you
be interesting but inkinga ukuthi to be honest I know like I feel like
nale ejini ukuthi ejini konje bayi reportile ish.
So isn't it guys nami feeling anti I can't choose. You can wake up tomorrow and say uthi Chomi ngifuna ufaka
everything I change.
Hey ya Chomi like yabona you know ngathi Chomi ngatshela manje ngithi Chomi kusasa I'm going to a vacation. Angeke wena uvuke uzovuka vele kusasa uthi Chomi nami ngifuna ukuya vacation. Angeke uthi Chomi why
you choose a
no it's not a decision
and then actually say uthi like okay shop ungathini ke mase uthi Chomi yakho vacation kusasa uye ku vacation ase Durban uye ku vacation ase Dubai okay bazothi ubani phakeni is that Dubai girl
but inkinga uthi Chomi we are friends
you can't commit to your friend
like okay shop mina ngibona when they say I'm the one who likes a competition but mina when I said I don't like a competition. Okay, ngithanda competition ngisho ukuthi kuzobana lapho nalapho ngithanda khona but competition is on one person manager. You see the manager
lo bekafuna ukusithathela ama account
manager yes I can manage like mina guys I know everything about manage guys I will manage you guys manage just
manage
you know I feel like they are friends we can talk nice things about them bad things about them because of course you are giving your energy is just
and like
negative you know because angeke sikhulume ngoba siyafuna ukukhuluma kabi ngomuntu Chomi
uyasenza
the thing yangenza ukuthi sing my distance yabo ukuthi like someone when you're more isikhathi ukuthi ukukhuluma but when it's your time Habahle awuba space.
Ufuna ukuhamba. I command every time.
Question.
Yes.
Enzengathi le thing. Ukuthi umuntu ufuna ukuba ngathi okay ngisengenza example la. Nalento lengizomtshela. Cabanga angithi nani of course namangani bama crew. Ngiyawazi ama crew kanjani.
Yeah, ama crew yes.
You know ama crew sometimes ayinti ilento besiyo nathi. Ama crew
snakes. Yeah, bunch of snakes.
They bite.
Niyawazi most ama crew guys.
Yeah, guys.
Bahlezi basikhuza vele labangani bama crew squad. Buhlezi kunenkinga siphinde senzeni sibuyelane sibe right. You know because if friendship but khona le ukubona ukuthi manje sekushubile ene icrew uyazi nama favoritism you know wena mina ngasivalela ngiwathi ngithi ngifavorite show adi manje then sasa ufavorite ubani bani sasa favorite let's ngithi yabona lama crew as friends nami ngifile ngathi nje anama moods anama fights there is no fakeness but there is always lela langa lelo ukuthi ngigwatele or kanjani
True.
Ngiyakwazi ukubekela ilanga ukuthi uyayilona.
Mara ngithi to be honest ngithi ngiyamthanda umngane wakho but udina ile into azenza nama character.
Inkinga ukuthi guys you mustn't think that you are better than your friends. Sonke as abangani equal siyalingana so if wena ucabanga ukuthi mina ngcono mhamba ngizona ukuhamba
Ayeke competition umngane wakho.
like hello.
Ngishela yonke into
Ngifuna ukuthini?
Ngifuna ukuthi like angithi like besihlezi sithi wanna grow together. Mara at some point omunye umuntu uzothi like I wanna grow. Athi let's grow.
Yeah, I
Every time I'm growing myself.
Yeah, that's one of those goals because masana is a group we are growing together.
Yes.
Then when your own dreams you own like unama dreams wakho but
Yes, we do have our own
as mina
dreams.
masengibala nina nonke angisislim because ngiyanibala because nabangani bami then manginowami vele ngwabeke excited but ngingazothi mangibale wethu ngithi I wanna grow like ngizibale ngiwani you know bengathi you find this like abanye abantu just nje mara wala like about group of friends is ukuthi belulalela abangani bakho mawubeka statement or kanjani
Very true, yes. For sure, that's one.
Okay, guys, tell us what you think.
Yeah, tell us what you think
because
it's
very
Important.
Sensitive.
Can you please comment
Yes.
on this question?
don't
Like-
forget to comment
Thank you.
about the washing clothes and the friendship thing, the group of friends. Please, guys, comment. And the last part. What did I say, Gonch?
Friendship, yeah.
That one. Okay, it's in the ngale ndlela lena ke ukuthi bene sharp ibele. Cabanga Ramaphosa ayibeka ke. Ramaphosa ayibeka ngithi umastermind vele uyayibeka.
Makathi uyi 400 manje.
Yeah, makayibekile uyibekile mathatha. And
Ramaphosa. Nilanda la ni 315.
ene futhi uyibekile.
Ilandela nishiye khona.
No Tommy, Ramaphosa la like about me yabona mangenza example ngaye. Angathi manje siqhumeza kuqa. You know, ukuyibeka lokho. Ukuyibeka thola ibeka amamzala ibe.
Ubana apikamera kuwe.
You know, Tommy, Ramaphosa la kayibeka. Akuna Ramaphosa ku friendship or khona. No, Tommy, ngokubuza guys nani phendulani ukhona Ramaphosa ku friendship.
There's no Ramaphosa. Yeah. There will never be a Ramaphosa in friendship.
Cabanga thola athi sibongile.
Unganya.
Nithi kuqondanami.
Hayi.
Okay, can I ask this question?
No, never.
Ngikubuza nini? Itabane ngaka, itabane came with who? Who puzzled it?
Who came with the idea? Who brainstormed?
No, let me answer the question.
It's at the career.
Okay. Group siqale si3.
Yeah.
So this labeling thing there was a video that I hate. I like ngithole ku TikTok. Is then supposed to be like time. You tell that video there. So itabani ukuyithi. Eitabene. Yeah.
You know. Yeah.
So yeah, I know what's me. Who came with it?
No, to me video. Like
to me, I know that it was a video. I know it, but like
to me as the video
manje to me I
bega to me thing just before yabona le video mayicabanga meeting itabane hayibo ethi bazilabhubhilizwe you show something like that yabona lento leyo ni ize ngevideo masihlangana lo mnikazi lo oyiclaimayo beka le emuva ku video ngintshebe athi guys ifone namanje video isaqala ithi phone and yazi to me you know what hurts me the most is ukuthi ne besinokuba live ngefone yami ne
yeah
but out of the blue usister sekangitshela ukuthi I don't know who decided ukuthi soba live ngefone yakho nge account yakho but besingana stress all along why manje soba ne stress and uwe kuphela ne stress ngalokho because the other crew abananda banalokho you kufana just isho ukuthi Chomi has been live account yami you know that's just simple as that ungazongitshela ukuthi Chomi I don't know who decided ukuthi soba ne account we're going to be on every time ne account yakho yabona cabanga ingenza ukuthi ngicabanga ngathi ngislim you know
account amayithi
Chomi akunankinga nokuthi boshathi Chomi has been live nge account as supposed to there is no problem with that but ungazoyibeka ngenye indlela ukuthi who said ukuthi I don't know who said ukuthi sabana
you just being bossy
you just being saying ngathi
like,
telling me ukuthi no I can spend account yakho kuphela you know just say Sibongile sicokubana like isithi sihlesibanika Sibongile today I spend account ka supposed to angeke sithi no
yeah sishintshanile
angeke sithi no but ungayibeki ngendlela
ehlabanye
rude
let's ngayifili kahle like
no
yeah bro so ezinye izinto yeah Eitabene is still Eitabene because Eitabene ize ngalezi Eitabene ze video no one owns that word but thina siya representa
no I feel like those girls
Eitabene we created ourselves because we
Eitabene ne but bayishilo lelo gama Chomi lapha kuleya
mara abasiyitabene
mara kusiyitabene leya bokuyi trend but thina as ama gays fana nabo siyayikhulisa lento le abayenzile as Eitabene sibakhombisa ukuthi siyi group siyimbumba kanjalo isinto eyiwani so that's why lela gama lelani sizama ukulikhulisa as thina Eitabene sikhombisa abanye ukuthi liyakhula of course like liyakhula because mabayibheka bebathi Eitabene or kanjani struggle but Eitabene because they know ukuthi Eitabene like inalobutabani lobe bakubiza sesemncane and it has Eitabene kufana ngathi sibaningi ngichaza ukuthi Eitabene ibale ngathi abantu abaningi
and Eitabene is no longer insults it's a compliment
Eitabene
oh ekuqaleni futhi bebathanda ukuthi Eitabene ngizoro iphembe bathanda ukuthi Eitabene kakhulu abasuke bathanda ukuthi Eitabene
and Raven bekayithanda that day just the girl wasn't vibing with that day
nakhona like
bekangayinaki it's not like vibe bekalimu
Raven part bayathanda kakhulu ethi hayibo
and futhi ama video lawana akhona ku TikTok i2 engapostile and it's not good I was just posting the videos and I don't like someone who's going to tell me wow post my videos so like I hate bullying you know like ngathi jail umuntu yo but yeah anyways guys
okay girls do you have any questions I know
okay guys questioning ngaqala kule friendship enibona esinenkinga kanje niyazifisa inkinga kanje or ngani
like sikhuluma friendship yethu
no like friendship yethu yasiqala indaba ku friendship maybe yethu nisizwa isicomplain ngayo yini
and wait like kuma comment cala nishe na comment I'm gonna like ngizowaphendula mina qinishe ama questions or ama answer like I'm gonna read them the next episode
yeah
please
so guys me dina kanjani umuntu ekutha bossy towards you guys like uzongitshela ukuthi do this and that you know
mina what I do I shut my mouth like ngiyathula
as always
I know you cuz I'm on the lane
on the lane yes angithi wena uyakhona ufuna uba uRamaphosa
Yebo.
uzokhombisa ukuthi mina ngipresident yase-UK
Yes.
khona ukuthi president upon president can it levelize can it man, you know, because I get it to me when I'm boss. Get out and talk like that. You know, Anna, show me that's why I need to. No, tell me, I need to. That's why I get to. You're born with your boss, honey. That's so bad. Then I also boss you. Let's see what. Can you handle it?
Can you have that?
And if you can't handle it, it's when I notice it. We are shining again. Ufunu bossa mina, ufunu bossega now. That's the thing. That's how I handle bossiness. So I see what you I'm going control. It's okay, Choma. It's now it's a controller of friendship. So controller of friendship. It should be like control that shit. So me go listen to about that. And then so you tell you see them was again black. Yes. That's it. You know, instead of telling you what to bossy, I show you. That's why I can say the time I not again I say I see that Opie is trying again. I'm like couldn't make a cool. She wanna be the boss of the no. I see good to a boss bitch again. I also like you know I like back to the simple and the originality of life. You see, full about Ramaphosa, president. Let me be the president of America. Yes. And give me a command. It's just simple, you know. That's why I'm a bossy.
Appreciate.
Mbambe ngesikhathi sakho athi choma ngicombe thela mbambe ngesikhathi because uyabona that's why yazi ngiyakuzwa that's why ngithi ama boss mohlangana namanye ama boss ayanyanya
Yes, I
that's why ngithi mina the simplest way is just to handle ukuthi nje I boss you the way you wanna boss me.
Yes.
And when you try and ngiyabona ukuthi nawe ngathi uyibalekela lo bossing ngiyabona ukuthi hayibo now we slim manje ukubossa mina kanjani
can't handle it.
What's up,
I'm going to
yeah, no, smashes don't
nomndaba incane ngiyangazi veli ndaba incane kuyoba indaba esigwaba na guys like noma indaba nje ungathi like njengala time bathi ho I didn't have abuchoma choba kuze ngo ho
like ho
what's a ho very kohle
ho bo asshole
You okay?
yabona inama difference meaning
like
abayibathi umahosha abanye bathi imbobo yendulu
like you know
like ngambuza ngathi chumi wangibiza ngeho why you are calling me a hoe
Shape kampama.
chumi chumi like I don't want to see that baby bitch
Chomi usathi chomi ngishaya inkomo ngempama WTF what the fuck never ngivume
ngaba into yamabhanzula khwahla
kapela
Shape na two holes.
kapela so blows aside oh da
nakhona ile
Ungasabi umuntu ofana nawe uphilayo Jomi.
nakhona inthusi
that's why in a group of friends belingabi no Ramaphosa
yeah
on a group of friends Mau feel like you are a boss bitch. Yes, be a boss bitch, but listen to what other people are saying.
Yes.
Listen to the opinions. Also, to me say more. Then, it's okay. Then, usbasha tamina match. Then you add that thing. I mean, I think no anthems or babysit success. I'm my opinion wabo. You know. Then you try to. I try my son baby. Ungazothi John asambe
sambe manje
monga
nama you can't
ungayibeki ihlale
Sina makalibeka alibekile makathe uthi akafuna
bathi abashobisa sabala mali adu yoqhina kusasa bafasi what's that
no that's his bullshit
Shobona mali okay ona mali uyokhamba kusasa okay sure ona mali chimo okay
like as a group of friends guys
okay yena bafasi phandani tomorrow.
Red of tomorrow.
I want to
Okay. Oh, you also shoot. I don't want to see her face on my phone. Wait,
I don't know.
Let's talk about the show.
Wait, actually, let's call let's vibe. And it's like, but say, like, not in a bad way.
No,
not in a bad way.
I need to buy my phone. I want to speak about iPhone use.
iPhone users.
Wait, after my example. Okay, oh, shoot the me. Okay, Adi, nothing to me. Nothing. What should I shoot? Don't shoot the nothing. Okay.
I'll shoot.
At open. Show me. Ngala usbosha have khona video yam. Not with my phone. Not with my phone. I don't want to see your face. I don't want to see your face on my phone. Like, I don't for bad.
Listen to me when I say bitch. I don't want to see your face on my phone. Really, dude.
Wait,
no, we don't do
that. He proof you what I didn't say. Friend, Yami, comment on the section below.
No,
but yeah,
no friend.
Marasi collab has.
Now I was so avoiding.
Okay, let's continue.
But we're saying
second question.
Hey, some bonus watch namhlanje.
Pinky.
Alicia, what's the question?
Alicia, it's your turn to ask a question. Any question that you like?
Nani someone khuluma ngami. Sakhuluma ngami le.
Yazini bamenzani?
Bayakudlebe.
Okay. What phone
Jimmy, I'm iPhone user.
The question is really like uthanda nge friendship.
Uthanda nge friendship. Yeah, I think declare.
Can I ask you? Can I answer? Okay. I like love. I like support.
Yes.
Like yeah.
Like TLC.
Like we boost each other's confidence, you know. Like yeah, that's what I like.
By my side, helping friend.
Yes.
Like what you mean? Maybe if something short, like you not the umgani.
Very true.
Thank you.
Very true. That's true.
Like guys, I want to it's a thing. Mina share about like my friendship me.
Yes, friend.
Very true, guys.
I get your point.
That's really pissed.
Like who has born with them?
Who has born with them?
Don't lie then.
I'm better than
the iPhone user.
Okay.
Don't go too far. Don't go too
What I like about friendship is love. What I like about friendship is love and support. Someone you see yourself, because we're friends and we're adults now. Yes. We can grow together, you know, because as we passed that stage of primary, which is Oceana, you know, we're done with school. So what I like about adult friendship for now, I like it because we can, you know, it's supporting, you know, we can grow together, we support each other, you know, like friendship at this point is so important because you can't go anywhere without having a friend, because you wanna go to Nkwar, you wanna have your friends, you wanna go to the shop, you wanna have your friends, you wanna do things, so this
you wanna talk, you
are lonely, you need a friend, you need a friend. you need a friend, I can say. So that's very important about friends. So what I like about friends is I can know how to express myself. You know, like my friend is like my everything. You know, that's why I can say friendship is so important.
So
family.
Family.
Because you can talk like I like it's more like
family. I do have a girlfriend, but none of my gay friends. I feel like I'm open, like I can speak whatever I wanna speak, but none of my girlfriends. Yes,
I feel like I'm a gay friend, guys. I never touch. Then girlfriend, I spoke in ice.
Even my mom, when it's like my mama, I'm going to podcast, like, Safana, guys, like, I'm like, isn't there maybe any sense I'm Niazazi, like, I'm open, but Mangamatomasan, what's in your don't say, don't say,
and it's when we have gay friends, we are very open, like, I can tell everything because I know she won't judge me. We're like, oh, then no, I told them, I spoke in the system.
Can I say something about can I answer you?
No, we don't judge.
Yes.
Because we've been there. We know how to be judged.
No, but they've been there, but they acting like, hello, I'm Mrs. Perfect, and I'm Mrs. like, hello.
So
you
don't
need
judge.
a friendship of girls, you want to be better.
Yeah, like I want to experiment.
So Mina, let me say to this one, when I like nothing in friendship, type. Mina like being like you know the time notice putting about is a thing but she and like I felt like crying and one of my friends even cried you know because the vibe you know just the vibe layer you know there's no plan this like from third floor sangene esikolweni this not into like my ex
yes
oh me better now and I get to the best now they am actually good mama yeah connection is now to me good must say bega to be say tega le so like to be honest mina friendship ngiyayithanda and I take it serious
sisters sometimes like oh no she's my sister she's not my friend
and I shout out to a friend like
like abangani bami doesn't ngiyabathanda so ngibona namanje I feel like ngiyabathanda and ngabashiya like yo if I bengine crew yabona nje ngale crew AC4 like le crew yeah to connect to me and the last time besingazwani ngale crew kanti masesihlala sidzu sihleka into eyi1 besihleka ihairband nechoreographer grade time ufake ihairband yomntwana ngithi zonke ibhekele ihairband kanti nawe no connection eyi1 ke
yazi lo wenza into yazi usotsho kumele lapha la walitsho lapha ngibheke like ngibheke yes
again mina futhi mina like umuntu umngane ngiyazi ukuthi siyahleba then we keep it together you know
yazi nami bengina icrew ne manje bakhona lo A1
yile nto nami
engishara na indaba is personal or indaba engathi like yeah or choose because la abanye bazoyikhipha
I had skimmed before and like skimmed something. Besides visa ama DSTV. We had a DSTV. Ekade besides visa ama okay before ama DSTV. Oh my DSTV.
Ama DSTV
like buy television. Buy 100
Beka chomtengisa mngisho local. Ngihlala kule gas lane. Ne? Bese abogya bakhona bama DSTV bahlala kule gas lane. Ngijikela abantwana bakule gas lane ngihlala
kahle abafana area.
Ama DSTV size so shaba abantwana bakule gas lane.
Yebo.
Every day nje namadlula nama DSTV. wathi ngahleka siyanishaya bese nize ngiqamba manguthi hayi none bayakhuluma ngawo noma beningakhulumi ngathi shapa isaphuma lapho saba ama VIP baba VIP saba neminingi ukuthi why sisibiza meaning bethi vele ima ngaphambili isikole Mokuyini usinenhlanhla ulwazi uzanene ukuyini
ngiyacela ngathi
VIP
thina besama 5 rows story
ne-60 uqhama amakhala flash akazi ngithengile
amavenzani usengizolo sithini
nabangani guys like ngisikhumbula ngiyilesbian mara ngumfana
hayibo chomi
like mina nabangani nami besinalento ukuthi okay sharp namhlanje singamantombazane singabafana but like masingabafana singama-lesbian nami ngiyi-lesbian
nje
angivumi kwamfana
awuvumi
yeah like
guys
Chemi like besibatsha abazali ukuthi this time ngifuna ukuthengela impahla zabafana ngifuna ukugqongela ngeso scheme leso kunomuntu ewane ngimthembayo like open kuye which means like it's the one like umngane wami nje like umngane wami every day every day instant no yeah
awuthangana yizo
usne ngicine nini day before
So that's guys, we spoke about everything about friendship. Friendship is so
important, guys.
You can't be alone. You need friends. As those friends of yours support you, make sure you also support them. Sasa bangavuka bafuna ukuba udokotela because nama I've been a doctor maybe for 3 years. I teach you more about doctor. Doesn't mean which name to teach you. No, don't be a doctor.
Yeah.
You can't be a doctor.
Decisions
don't be a doctor. Utalini by doctor.
Questioning your friends' dreams. Like.
Yeah, why are you questioning other people's lives? Like you can control other things, but not people. That's why if you talk about Ramaphosa, then you're going to see you well like whatever you say doesn't even matter to those people because you are dealing with a boss in Japan. So that's important, guys. So bullying is not okay, guys.
Bullying, especially bullying your friends, isn't right.
Controlling yakho futhi
angeke
ngibene ngilalanga kyanga skin uncontrol
usumama unuzobeka
yeah and what I
lesinomsalama kangicontrol control umuntu angaphandle
umuntu angaphandle lemva komkhukha control
nje
yazi baba yase by kings uzobela
yo what I've learned like it's like your friends, support your friends, like be a friend.
Yes,
yeah. Like be there for your friend. Like you can't be alone actually. Like
you can't be alone.
You need friends.
You need friends.
Don't live alone, guys. That will never happen.
That will never happen.
That will never ever happen. You
need someone to share things with.
I've been there. Like since my mom like I was alone. I was like, yo, I was what? Like I was suffocating.
Yo.
You feel like dying.
I was like, yo, I can't talk to my mom. I'm not calling my mom. You
can't.
Like guys, I don't.
Yabona njengamne to be honest, I felt like the time is a film park, I needed friends. Because them noticed the
But
time.
I'm not going to obvious.
Yeah. The time
You got some
like
people.
imagine ngajabula the thing abona usibongile at least naye ukuthi usamkhumbula from long time ago.
Guys,
That's why ngibafuna abangani. You know, that's why ngithi I needed friends because
Even though I moved to America.
ngathi uyu umuntu bengimvakashela phela inkinga ukuthi usibongile bekayispend the time bekayenza matric.
Yo, matric guys.
Yeah, but at least uyanginika isikhathi aza ngaleza inkathi until you know umngane uzokwenza ukuthi ubona
yeah,
bengangani.
like nami bengingabangani.
Yeah,
Like I think I'm down to earth. Bona ba deep. Down to earth. You know, I'm not so like out loud, like come on, cool. Just like open so. Like because like Nina, boss na me. Character. We are all characters. We are definitely characters because that's maybe something characters. Some characters are different. We are, you know. If I was emotional love, no, that's emotional love. Actually, I'm opium natural.
I'm not getting somebody in Java.
When I feel like it's a TV show. Oh, so no, I feel like
Robert is me.
to me is I feel like if it's a TV show, it's not entertaining, guys.
Very much entertaining.
I feel like in life, it's more entertaining.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm like cool entertaining.
Yes.
Yes.
Nikki
You know.
Thank you. I don't remember.
Oh fuck.
Like chimima akhuluma ngodonja cat ngithi nami yo angisakhuluma nambe nguya nga cat 09 ukuthi top ngenkathi athi
everything.
No guys, why I was calling me why being is
Oh guys, no
grade 6 being amakati amaningi so like being is born ukuthi bishop ngomuntu amakati ngwanyana
Was Young cats.
09 young Peter, don't you dare lie. Ever since the Western Kungo cat now, so to young cat, much as in Linda Valley, I'm debate.
I know, but we not date. We know they show.
Boy, yeah.
You know.
Let's talk
Okay,
so let's
but like much love, please.
Forget about the past.
Yeah.
like hello.
DSTV.
You know
what
158.
You know what
the content is a
You know, that's it.
content is a
So yeah, guys, we're going to give you a word of the day. We learned a lot today.
I got paid in that, but I'm okay. I'm okay next week.
Like,
we don't go
you know, and of course,
Cheers to you all.
You know,
cheers to friendship.
Cheers to our
Yes, 3 years of friendship. I
guys, before word of the day.
Word of the day. So word of the day, guys, don't feel like you're a boss. Don't be bossing people around. So when you know how to boss people, you're going to find your match fellow who's going to try to boss you. And if you can't handle it, stop being a boss to people, because you can boss other things, but don't boss people. You can boss anything else that doesn't move, like couch. Don't boss humans, you know. Don't act like Ramaphosa, because I'm gonna be a president. You say America. And we're gonna be sitting president upon president. So please, boss, don't.
Boss, yes.
Okay, let me go back, ne?
Yeah.
Like I feel like no, after ne, like I feel like ne, Mara. There's a lot going on behind the scenes.
There's a lot cooking, guys.
There's a lot.
This chills.
Actually, guys,
This
soup doesn't taste good. It looks good.
You know,
It doesn't
like,
taste good. It looks
good.
Yeah.
Like
This soup is
the picture here
is lekker.
is like you see the picture. You come here. Like how bonds.
yeah, we're in the hot seat, guys.
Yeah.
Like we are fighting
This
behind the
seat is
scene.
hot.
We are loving each other behind the scenes.
But
But love is there. Like we are strong.
Flaming